G'day legends, Aaron Off-Roader here. Today we're going to be fitting this crankcase filter assembly kit, or more commonly known as an engine oil catch can, from Ryco. So this is a universal kit, and I'm going to throw this on my 2018 Toyota Prado. So the reason for fitting a kit like this is to prolong the life of your engine and significantly reduce maintenance costs further down the line. As we all know, diesels in the combustion cycle introduce a lot of carbon to your engine oil, and they also have blow-by that goes up into the top of your valve cover through your crankcase venting valve and then down back into your intake. So you imagine all that oil mist is going back through your engine intake, through your intercooler, and then just coating everything. So by installing the kit just like this one from Ryco, you'll prolong the life of your engine and you won't have to do any expensive maintenance tasks to clean it all out in the future. So for this bad boy here, you're going to want to slip this bracket, slips into the bracket quite nicely, and then you have a few options of how you want to mount it. I want both the in and outlet pointing the same direction, so that's already set up sweet. I'm going to put it in like that, just find out, probably have to do a few tweaks to this bracket, and then I'll secure it to the inner guard here. So I might have to relocate a few little things here, but I'm pretty confident I can get that to work. Righto, just trying to get a decent view in here for you so you can see the hose I'm talking about. So on this model, that just lifts off pretty easily. It's a bit of a mess under there. But this is the valve cover on the top of your engine, and this is the hose in question. So this one here with this ugly white cover on it. So I'm just going to want to pull this clamp off, if I can get it off, pull that hose off. So your install will go in the middle of this, but I'm not going to use this hose at all. I've got my own, so I went and bought some. It's going to run a hose from there, around this, over to where I mount it. Well, there you see it, it's mounted. So all I've got to do is come from the cover there into the bottom, and then out the top down to the intake pipe. So let's do that and see how it looks. Righto, because I tweaked that bracket a little bit, as you'll see, got clearance for the bonnet. How good's that? So bonnet strut comes up and down. Now, sorry this is handheld, but I really can't get in here with a tripod. So it's as easy as this, just straight from here to the catch can, and then straight back down into here. As you can see, straight through that little clamp. So from the supplied kit, you've obviously got all these reducers here. So I'm going to give some of these a go and see if I can get this hose to fit on. Got some 5/8 16mm hose here, so I'm going to utilise this. This cost me $11 for 1200mm, or 2 meters actually. There we go guys, we got Ryco's engine oil catch can fitted. Super simple install. I've just got to get 2 more clamps next time I go to the shops. Just the 2 meters of oil hose I bought. I had some left over. It cost me $13 from a local rubber supply shop. And then just use a standard bracket, drilled through the panel and put some nut certs in there, a bit of paint protector just where I drilled through, and yeah, simple as that. Went back in the same little bracket down here, as the old hose. I've just got the drain running under the wheel arch, which I'll show you in a sec. But yeah, it just gives me a lot more confidence that this engine's going to last the distance. Here's how I've temporarily mounted my drain valve, but all you have to do is press that in to a little bucket or whatever. So that's going to give me a lot more confidence in this engine long term. By installing a kit like this is the only way legally to keep your intake a little bit cleaner. Ideally you turn the EGR off straight away, but you're not allowed to do that, so this is the next best option. It's going to keep all the oil build up out of your intercooler and then stop going around through your EGR system and turning that already dry soot into just oily wet sludge, and over time it just cakes up your intake. I done my last one and it was an absolute mess, couldn't believe it. But once I cleaned it out, it went a lot better, which contributes to bad fuel economy, poor performance, and yeah, just extra engine wear. So this universal kit from Ryco, I've sorted out the issue. Seen any value in the video or you liked it, just like and subscribe to the channel. Doing installs all the time, and 4 drive trips if you haven't seen them already. So yeah, have a good day, and hopefully one day I'll even see you out on the tracks.